Hi guys. Okay? Okay. Jeepers Christ. Oh god, you can't even see. One sec. Oh my lord, look! Can you see? He's still going! Guys, I'm going to show you a better view. One sec. One sec, let me get my piece and show you a better view of it. Guys, it's literally pouring it down. Can you see here? Jeepers, oh my lord. Bloody hell, guys, it's literally like pouring it down right now. Oh my god. Bloody hell. Jeepers, okay, one sec, guys. Bloody hell. Actually, like literally, bloody hell, guys. Look. Oh god, I hope you can see, guys. Bloody hell. Oh my gosh, guys, that's... Well, one sec, guys. Let me get my... I think that's what's gone off. Okay, guys, so I've got my keys now. See? These are just my keys, simple keys. Oh, bloody hell. Guys, can you hear that? One sec, guys. Can you hear that? So guys, I'm also going to show you something right now. So guys, this is a little song of mine. And also, so guys, basically I went to the President's Meal. So the President's Meal is basically like something we did at our school. This is my trophy I got. It says Special Award, President's Sporting Club and the Essex Disabled Sports Foundation. Bloody hell, guys, guys, can you hear that? I want to show you, but I don't know how to open the door. Oh, here. Sorry guys, it's really loud up in here. So guys, I'm now going to show you a little song of mine. Yeah. So guys, once on the, one of them is going to be on my guitar, one of them is going to be on my keyboard. Stay tuned.